Hello, this video will be a quick introduction into khanacademy.org, um, a wonderful website to help you with a great many topics, and one we will be using for um, review and homework and contests within the class. Um, so khanacademy.org. If at any time you hit this section right here, it will take you back to the home screen. Okay. Now what we have here is, you see this word login means we're actually not logged in right now. All of the resources can be used without logging in. You don't have to have an account, and an account is free. But by having an account, I can track your progress, count your point towards your homework, count your point towards your contest, etc. And you can track your own development over time. You can see how far you've come. And you can get points and badges and that kind of stuff. I'm going to, okay, so you can do learners start here. You can hit sign up. Okay. You'll need to put in your birthday. As long as you're 13 or older, you can create your own account. Otherwise, somebody will need to create it for you. And then you'll confirm your email. And then once you have your login, you'll click login, and you can continue with Google or Facebook, or just enter the email or username that you have done. So I'm going to pause the recording here and log myself in. All right, so once you've logged in, you will come to the home screen, which you would get to by pressing this at any time. And you'll see several things. You'll see some information about yourself here that you can change by clicking on that. Okay. And you can see how many days in a row you've logged in, or not just logged in, but actually gotten some points that day. You can see how many points you have here. Okay. And you can see your badges. Okay. You can edit your profile. You can update your avatar. Okay. And then here you'll see all the courses that you're signed up for. Now, once you join my class, and I'll show you how to do that, you'll see some of these automatically pop up, but you can also edit it to add some other ones that you may find interesting. If you scroll down, you'll see recent things that you've worked on. You can continue if you would like. Recent missions, okay, some staff picks and such. And then down here, if you look down here, you'll see this change language. Okay, so you can change this if you need to. So change your primary language. This is not actually my birthday. So let's do Espanol, for example. So you can save those changes. And now everything's in Spanish. Okay, so configuración, cuenta, all of these things are in Spanish. And I'm sure my pronunciation was not great there, but, and then you can change it back if you would like. Okay. And then here you can hit the home button again to go back home. You'll notice this donate button here. Khan Academy is completely free. Part of their motto is a world-class education for free for everyone forever. And they do so through donations. You do not need to donate. I'm not going to ask you to, but if after you use it for a while, you feel like you've gotten some use out of it and you have some money that you would like to put to a charity, think about this one. Hopefully it will help you. All right. So from this home screen, if you look up here, you can see several different tabs available to you. You click on Profile. Here you can put a showcase of, it's not doing my, Okay, I apologize. My recording tools disappeared. I figured this was not recording. Hang on, let me see if I can fix that. Seems I don't have them available, so you'll just have to watch the cursor. So you can put the showcase here. You can pick 5 badges that you would like uh, to display. You can see how long ago you joined, how many points you have, how many videos you've watched, any projects you've done in the computer programming section, questions that you've asked, answers that you've given, how many projects you've helped evaluate for others. You can see your streak, okay, and recent activity. In the badges section, you can see how many of each type of badge you have. And if they have points, you can see the points that come with those badges. And this, like times 587, that means I've gotten this badge 587 times. Progress. So you can use this one to measure your progress on a mission. So on the early math mission, I've got 100% of that done. But if I look at all of math, all of the math that's available on Khan Academy, I'm only 88% done. Okay. For example, I haven't done the calculus sections on here yet, but they are on my radar. You can also look at your activity. You can see your minutes and points per day. You can go to the discussion tab and see your questions, answers, comments, etc. If you do some of the computer programming section, you can see your projects that you've done. I spent a couple weeks working on this, and it was actually kind of fun. So you might check that out if you find yourself with some free time and you're interested in computers. And this is where you'll join my class. You'll go to coaches, you'll hit join class, and you'll put in the code that I gave you. Okay. And let's see. I think this will probably wind up being 2 videos, but on this one I'll go ahead and show you a couple more things. If you look up here in the top left at courses, this will pull a drop-down menu, and you can see math by subject, math by grades. This is based on the Common Core, not on Texas. Texas is a little bit different, so it won't match up completely. And you notice this one's 98% here. Sometimes they add new things, which will bring your percent down. That's okay. If you like 100%, you can just go and do those again. Science, engineering, computing, economics, arts, test prep, for example, SAT. Okay. And then information about college admissions and different careers, personal finance, etc. Or if you want to look for a specific topic, you can come up here. You can look for, I don't know, distributive property, for example. Okay. And you'll see videos, articles, practice that come up for those. Another thing that they don't display as much as I would like, if you search for partner content, you can find the partner content section, and it has a bunch of interesting topics to explore as well. For example, NASA, MIT K-12 has some interesting things. Really, all of these are pretty interesting. So, all right, check it out. In the next video on Khan Academy, I will actually go through how you will access your assignments and do them. Check out the hints and tips to get help.